So today I'll be introducing fractions and we'll be modeling fractions. I'll be modeling some and then I'll give you guys the opportunity to model some on a website. I'm Mrs. Velasquez and this is our third grade math class. So the objectives for today is that we will apply mathematical process standards to represent and explain fractions. I will be able to determine the numerator and the denominator of fractions. So that's what you guys will be able to do at the end of the lesson, okay? So to start us off, what is a fraction? Today we will begin a new unit in which we learn all about fractions. But what is a fraction? What is a fraction?
A fraction is a partitioning object that into equal shares.
Okay, so partitioning an object into equal shares, okay? Can you put that in your own words?
A fraction is a shape or an object that you divide into equal parts to share.
Thank you. So like a shape or an object that you divide into equal parts, keyword equal parts, to share. So now you'll be watching a quick 2-minute video on fractions.
Sometimes you want to refer to the parts of an object. Have you ever had to count, measure, or divide a part of something, like a pizza or a cake? That's when you'll need to use fractions. Let's dive a little deeper. Fractions may seem intimidating at first glance, but with the right vocabulary, they're easy.
So fractions. Like Ellie mentioned earlier, a fraction is part of one whole, okay? So we have 2 vocabulary words. What are our 2 vocabulary words? Yes? Numerator is 1. Denominator is our second one. So the numerator is the number on the top or on the bottom? The top. The numerator is on the top. It tells how many pieces you have from the whole. So notice one piece is orange. So the colored piece is the numerator, okay? The denominator is where?
Bottom.
On the bottom. So the denominator is on the bottom. It tells how many total pieces are in the whole. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So how many total pieces do we have?
4.
4. So the circle is cut into 4 equal pieces, okay? So now it's your turn to build fractions, to show me what you've learned. So we're going to follow the link at the bottom of this page. You're going to follow along with me for a few examples, and then I'm going to give you time to try some on your own. So we're going to build fractions today. We're going to start on level 1. Do we see the 3 fractions here?
Mm-hmm.
This first one. How many total pieces do we have?
We have 2.
We have 2 total pieces. So I'm going to drag a 2 and put it as my denominator. Good job. How many pieces are colored?
1/2.
How many pieces are colored?
1.
1 piece. Okay. So I'll put it on top. I have my fraction, which is
1/2.
1/2. I drag it over and it dings it for me. Yes, so I can put them together and it gives me a happy face. Now it's your turn to try.
Good job, Ellie.
So now that you guys had a chance to build your own fractions, we will go into our independent practice. You will be completing this in your math interactive notebook, okay?
Okay.
Okay.